Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch movie together or how you can stream movies in Discord. So in this case, open your Discord account from your application, desktop version. So after that, go to user settings and scroll down and you'll find here advanced option at the very bottom side in app settings. Under the app settings you'll find advanced. Click on advanced, then you'll find here hardware acceleration. Just turn this off. Click on OK. Okay, it is off right now. What you're gonna do this, hold on, it's restarting. Okay, now you have to just cancel this or pause this and log in from your web. Okay, log in from your web right here, Discord. And open a movie streamer like Amazon Prime or Netflix where you want to watch movie. I'm here for Amazon Prime. So now if you want to watch movies together with your friends, what you're gonna do is select your movie from here first, like this, Devil's Hour. So then choose your voice channel, choose your server first where you want to stream or where you or friends watch together. Then choose one channel like this. Choose one voice channel must. Click on voice channel and you'll find here screen share or share your screen. Just click here and you'll find here Amazon Prime Video. Okay, cancel it. Before that you have to go here, the three dot icon which is top right corner in your browser, Chrome browser. Then go to settings. Then you have to write here hardware. Okay, then you can see here use hardware acceleration, which is turned on. Just turn this off. Okay, and relaunch your browser. It will be remain same, just relaunching it. Hold on. Okay, now it is turned off. What you're gonna do this now, if you want to okay, just it's rebooting. Hold on. Now click on share option, this share your screen, and choose Amazon Prime. You can cancel this now. Choose Amazon Prime and start share. Now you can see that your movie is streaming here. Okay, go to Amazon or any Netflix or whatever, then just choose your episode or movies you want to.
Yes.
Does he still see his father?
Not anymore.
And how did he react when you told him that you and your husband were separated?
So you can see that movie is streaming here and your all friends watch together in this server. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.